Now, you may be in a situation where you have no competitors, in which case, good for you. You're one of the few people who's in an environment where there are no juice bars. But if you do have competitors and you don't have a clear distinction of what's going to make your business unique, then you're kind of fighting against, it's kind of like David and Goliath, because people are going to trust oftentimes a business more that they can walk into, they know the owners, or they can at least talk to the owners, they know where the product is being processed, they can still order from this company online, so they still have all the benefits of an online juice delivery business, but there's a lot more brand trust because people will be familiar with this company. Versus for you, if you're just strictly starting online, you have to work against that, right? And I mean, you have to compete with that. And also knowing that your website, your Instagram, your online marketing, these are the only ways people are going to know about you. Word of mouth as well. But it can be difficult if you're not really, really great at marketing, and most people aren't unless you spent most of your life as a professional marketer. Most likely you're not very great at marketing. And I know people who think, yeah, I'm good at marketing and I know how to do this, but there's levels to everything, and understand that being able to post on Instagram and do hashtags is sort of the bare minimum. Being really, really great at marketing, it means understanding how to target people, how to create compelling offers, how to do that consistently. And that takes a level of acumen that most people don't have. And so when you have a storefront versus an online juice delivery business, your storefront does some of the marketing for you. Your online juice delivery business, like I said, people don't find you unless you're really, really great at marketing. And I often say too that what you save in rent with a storefront, you end up investing in marketing.